Hi friends! The embedded timeline feature of Twitter enables you to show your website visitors some recent Twitter updates from you. Are you looking for the steps to embed a collection of your tweets, which is also known as a timeline, on your own website? Here's how you can do so on your Windows 8.1 PC. Open a web browser. Type www.twitter.com in the address bar and then press Enter. Now log in to your Twitter account. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From the left pane, click on Widgets. In the Widget section, click on the Create New button. On Create a User Widget page that opens, you can have a preview of the Twitter feeds. You can also configure it according to your choice. Deselect the checkbox next to Exclude Replies option to exclude replies from tweets. You can also set the height of the widget and colors of links included in the tweets. It will also show the live preview of your changes. Once done, click on the Create Widget button. It will show the code which you can embed into the HTML of your website. Right-click on it and click on Select All to select the code. Once again, right-click on it and select Copy to copy the code. Now go to the source code of HTML file of your website and go to the desired location. Right-click there and select Paste to paste the copied code. Save the file and then close it. Now you need to locate the HTML file and then open it in any browser. Here you can see that the live Twitter feeds are embedded in your website. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching.